Howdy y'all, it's Jacob with the Foggy Mountain Messengers. I have a great surprise for you guys because I know that you guys really enjoy listening to our bluegrass music, and I'm so thankful for that. But I got to thinking, what if there's some of you guys out there who actually want to learn bluegrass music? So, not only will you be getting more music from us to be able to listen to, but I'm actually going to be giving you banjo lessons if you're interested in learning the banjo. It's not as hard as it seems. So I really encourage you, if you're looking to learn an instrument and you enjoy the bluegrass genre, I'd say give the banjo a shot. I'm going to try to get a new lesson out every week, and I'm going to try to make these lessons as simple as possible, starting with easy songs, and then working up to more advanced songs. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much again for all your support, and thank you for listening to our music, and we're just so thankful for all the encouraging comments. Hope you guys tune into these lessons, truly enjoy them, and learn a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.